Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. Markets have corrected sharply in this week and gave up all the gains of previous week. US China summit during this week did not enthuse the market. Deadlock in US Iran talks is a big hurdle for the markets. There is no improvement in Hormuz. Oil prices have gone up sharply during this week. Government of India has raised petrol and diesel prices, and these increase in petrol and diesel prices will have overall inflationary impact on the economy. Import duty of 15% has been imposed on gold. Gold and jewelry stocks fell sharply after increase in import duty on gold. Rupee has depreciated to the lowest levels during this week and it has breached 96 mark per dollar. Market will continue to be under pressure till the US-Iran conflict is resolved and Hormuz Channel is open for ship movement. Nifty has closed at 23,643. It has lost 532 points. That is 2.20%. Bank Nifty has closed at 53,710. It has lost 1,600 points. That is 2.89%. Mid-cap index closed at 60,567. It lost 1,343 points. That is 2.17%. Small cap index is at 17,882. It has lost 854 points during this week. That is 4.46%. We can see that Bank Nifty, mid cap and small cap lost majorly during this week. That means the broader market was undergoing a big correction. India VIX is at 18.79. It has gone up by around 11.58% during this week. So India VIX going up shows that again there is a panic in the market. Two things. One is there is a lot of fear in the market and there is a lot of volatility. If we look at the sectoral indices, most of the sectors were red during this week, except pharma, healthcare, and metals rallied around 1.9 to 2.25%. Realty sector lost the most, it lost about 8.17%. Information technology lost more than 5%. Consumer durables, auto sector, defense sector, PSU banks all lost between 4 to 5%. Oil and gas lost around 3%. NBFCs, media sector, energy sector, public sector companies, manufacturing sector all lost between 2 to 3%. Infrastructure, private banks, commodities all lost between 1 to 2%. So there were more declining stocks than advancing stocks. Uh, if we look at overall sectors, it indicates that overall market sentiment was highly bearish during this week. This is the chart of Nifty index. Nifty index has support at around 23,250 shown by this support line, and Nifty index has got resistance at around 24,700 to 24,750 level drawn by this resistance line. Nifty after touching 24,500 it dropped. Now it is at around near the support level, and if it crosses 24,500 conclusively. Then we will see further up move. Till such time, it may consolidate in this range of 23,250 to 24,500 to 24,600 level. This is the chart of Nifty Midcap Index. Midcap Index has support at around 59,400 as shown by this support line, and Midcap Index has resistance at around 61,800 levels. After hitting these levels, Nifty Midcap Index corrected. Now it is at this support level, and it has to cross 61,800, then it will go to previous high level, and 61,800 is almost lifetime high level for Nifty Midcap Index. Overall, the Midcap Index chart looks quite strong. After a sharp rally, it is consolidating. Then the further rally will resume when it crosses 61,800. This is the chart of Nifty Small Cap Index. As we can see on the chart, the small cap index has got good support at around 17,000 levels, and it has got resistance at around 18,500. See, recently it crossed 18,500. Again, it has come back into the channel. Next, we'll have further bullish sentiment when it crosses 18,500 with good volumes. Till such time, mid-cap index will trade between 17,000 and 18,500 in this channel. Bank Nifty has got support at around 53,250. Bank Nifty index hit around 57,000, and after that it has given a correction. It is now at the support level. From here it may pick up. And Bank Nifty index has got resistance at around 57,000 levels. When it crosses 57,000 level, then we'll see further bullish sentiment on Bank Nifty index. And Bank Nifty index has hit recently all-time high of 61,500. Now, considering the present geopolitical situations and developments on Iran-US peace talks, it will take time for Bank Nifty to go to the previous high levels. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic and market fundamental parameters. RBI foreign exchange reserves is at 696.99 billion US dollars. It has gone up by 6.9 billion US dollars in this week. Foreign exchange rate is at 95 rupees 96 paise per dollar. It almost crossed 96 per dollar during this week. So it is one of the sharpest fall in rupee value, that is rupee depreciation. Dollar index is at 99.23. When crude price has gone up sharply during this week, it is at 109.3 dollars per barrel, and government of India has increased retail prices of petrol and diesel by rupees 3 per liter, and this increase in fuel will have overall impact on inflation. There will be inflationary pressure in the economy. That is why we have seen that correction in the market. Government has imposed 15% duty on gold imports. Due to that, there was a sharp fall in gold and jewelry companies. FIIs continue to sell. They have sold 13,583 crore during this week in equity. DIIs have bought 18,524 crore in equity. DIIs continue to support the market while FIIs have been selling. Result between US and Iran remains unresolved, and Hormuz channel continues a blockade, which is affecting the movement of crude oil across the world. So different countries which are importing crude oil are facing pressure. Markets are near-term support levels on the charts after correction in this week, but the further movement in the market mainly depends on the news from Iran-US talks and the situation on the Hormuz channel. Mutual fund investors should not worry about the day-to-day volatility and fluctuation in the market. They should continue their SIPs. Cost averaging gives them the advantage in the long term, and they will get better return due to this volatility, as they invest every month and cost averaging helps them. So mutual fund investors and long-term investors should remain calm. They should remain invested. So this is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and refer to your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. Thank you.